In this video, we're going to walk through calibrating the Hanna probe on your Alpine Pro. This process is the same whether you're doing the initial calibration after installation or recalibrating later as part of regular maintenance. First, remove the side cover. You'll see the valves feeding the probe are in their open position for normal operation. Start by closing the two valves to stop water flowing through the probe port. Next, you will see that there is a probe plug pre-installed. Keep that plug installed for now, as it is needed for the calibration process. During this process, try not to leave the probe dry for more than a few minutes. Moving steadily through the steps helps protect the sensor and gives you an accurate calibration. With the probe free in your hand and the valves reopened, you're ready to start. We'll start with the pH calibration. Your kit includes packets labeled pH 4.01 and pH 7.01. Open the first pH 4.01 packet and place the probe into the solution, moving it gently to rinse and clean the sensor. Then remove the probe and set that first packet aside. Next, open the second pH 4.01 packet, place the probe into the fresh solution, and set the packet down on a flat surface. On the Hanna controller, select pH calibration and press the button to start. Wait for the display to recognize the solution and show that reading is stable. Then confirm to lock the first calibration point. Now we'll repeat the process with the pH 7.01 solution. Open one packet to clean the probe again, gently moving the sensor around in the solution. Then set that packet aside. Open a second pH 7.01 packet and place the probe into it. Wait for the controller to recognize the solution and show a stable reading. Confirm again to complete the pH calibration. After pH is complete, scroll down to the ORP options on the controller. Your kit includes two ORP solution packets. Use this first packet to rinse and clean the probe, then move the probe into the second packet and let it rest on a stable surface. On the controller, start ORP calibration, then ensure that your set point reads 470 millivolts. If it does not, use the up and down arrows to adjust accordingly and wait for the reading to stabilize, then confirm. When both pH and ORP calibrations are complete, close the two valves again. Remove the plug from the probe port, then thread the probe back into its port until it's fully seated and snug. Reopen the valves to allow flow through the plumbing and confirm that there are no leaks at the probe connection. The left tank is for muriatic acid and the right tank is for liquid chlorine. Once the tanks are filled, turn on the chlorine pump and the acid pump from the controller if this is the initial startup. To do this, go into the Hanna controller menu and change the pH pump and the CL2 pump from off to auto. In auto mode, the controller uses your pH and ORP readings to cycle the pumps on and off as needed to help maintain your target water chemistry. Your system is now calibrated and ready to help maintain your water chemistry. Plan to recalibrate the sensor about once a month, and for heavy use units, we recommend recalibration even weekly.